Most reports don't look unprofessional because of bad data. They look unprofessional because of bad spacing. Let's make your reports look as good as your data. Hi, I'm Leif. I'm a former graphics designer working in Power BI, and this channel focuses on practical design techniques to help you build clean, professional, executive-ready reports. In this video, I break down two of the most important and most commonly misunderstood layout concepts in report design: margins and padding. I'm not trying to turn you into a designer. The goal is much simpler: just to help you use a few basic design ideas that instantly make your reports look cleaner and more professional. Some of you might already know these terms, but inconsistent spacing is one of the most common reasons reports feel cluttered or unpolished. So let's use an easy analogy. Think about a Pop-Tart. Here is our Pop-Tart. This pastry is your container, basically the box that holds something. The icing is your content, your chart, table, or your visual. The space between the pastry edge and the icing is your padding. The space outside of the pastry is your margin. Let's draw a box around this pastry that represents the margin. Padding is the breathing room inside the element. Margins are the space between elements. As you can see, we have nice margin between these Pop-Tarts. Both padding and margin need to be intentional and consistent. Your containers should be evenly spaced using margins. Everything inside those containers should have equal padding on all sides. Now let's take this knowledge and create a nice report background. Say goodbye to the Pop-Tarts. The first thing we're going to do is create a box container. And I'm going to leave some space at the top for a logo. I'm going to create another box here. Notice the consistent margin. And I'm going to create several other boxes underneath. And these two have consistent margin in between the boxes. Now let's apply a nice effect to these. A neumorphic effect. I like to keep space across the top for the text title of the report. Let's add a logo to this. Here too, you want even margin and spacing around that logo. And I think we have a pretty nice looking report here. Line things up cleanly as if everything sits on an invisible grid. These are small adjustments, but they immediately make a report feel more structured and professional. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more quick design ideas to improve your reports.